Hello viewers, this is Sun Astro. Sun Astro combined Vedic and KP astrology to provide astrological consultation. In today's video, we'll understand the 10th house. We'll see what is 10th house, also known as Karma Sthan. So what is its role in karma? So what does 10th house shows? 10th house shows mainly livelihood that you're going to earn and the nature of livelihood you're going to earn in this world. Kingdom, today there is no king, so there's no kingdom, but it represents country and the state that we live in. 10th house also shows the honor that we'll get in this life. 10th house also shows sacrifice related to work, because whenever you go out for work, we sacrifice many things in our life. So sacrifice that we'll make related to work can be seen from the 10th house. 10th house also shows commerce or business. It shows the position or the rank that we'll hold in this world. 10th house is also known as the most Arthasthan. So it represents wealth, and the nature will earn the wealth, whether it will be in a good way or bad way. It also can be seen from the 10th house. Inclination towards anything can be especially towards any career can be seen from the 10th house. Occupation can be seen, definitely seen from the 10th house. The quality of the occupation and the quality of the job or the business that we'll do in this life can be seen from the 10th house. The success that we'll get, definitely seen from the 10th house, because whenever exalted planets sit in the 10th house, that will give a lot of success to the person. Now, planet and sign in astrology, the 10th house deals with Capricorn sign. So Saturn is a natural significator of the 10th house. Sun, Saturn, Rahu, and Mercury is considered good in the 10th house. Sun and Mars will give directional strength to the person. Whenever Sun sit, it will take the person to a very high rank. Rahu will make the person very ambitious. Mercury will make the person interested in business. Whereas Saturn will make the person very hardworking, will make him take a lot of responsibilities. And Ketu is not considered good because it may devoid you of the career, or it make the devoid you of the interest in making any career. So body parts associated with the 10th house is knee, joint, bones, and the lower thigh. And some of the diseases associated with the 10th house is arthritis, broken kneecap, inflammation of the joints, general weakness. Some of the skin diseases can be seen from the 10th house. Now, if you understand that is career associated with the 10th house is business orientation or business job, anything related to our livelihood that we do in today's world can be seen from the 10th house. Any mechanical science job, or in like engineering, geology, mechanical engineering, geology, because Saturn, whenever sits in the 10th house, it will make the person interested in mechanical engineering or geology related jobs. Some old and traditional jobs like politics, because whenever Sun sits in the 10th house, it will make the person interested in politics. So work in established business or in the government. So working in land, because Mars, whenever sit, it will give the person interest in police or military. So anything related to land or real estate can also be seen from the 10th house. Like any oil mining or mineral mining can also be seen from the 10th house. This was my analysis why 10th house is important. Thank you for watching. Visit our website, sunastro.org. For consultation, you can email us. All the link is given in the description box below. If you like this video, do like, share, and comment. And please subscribe.